gonna start my hair prep for getting my braids done. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. It's super simple, but I'm gonna show you anyways. This is what we're starting with. This is literally like I just woke up. This is what my hair looks like. My hair hasn't been washed for I think maybe 2 weeks because I didn't have many plans. So I was just like, there's no need for me to wash my hair if I'm not going anywhere. And also I knew that I was gonna be washing it for braids, so I figured I might as well just leave it for a while and wait. But yeah, it's pretty messy. But I would refresh this because it doesn't look dirty if I refreshed it. I'm gonna do a video on how I refresh my hair. The thing is about it, if you followed the video, which I'll link, but if you followed the video I did on how to get the best curls, you shouldn't have to refresh your hair. That's why I haven't made one yet, because you actually shouldn't need to refresh your curls. But there is a way to do it if you felt like you needed to. So I'll make a video on it. But anyway, we're going from this, just gonna blow out basically. So obviously the first step is washing it. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. As well, obviously the next step is get my brushes out and I'm gonna blow it out. So I'll show you what that looks like when it's blown out. I love blowing out my hair because it makes it really big. All my lights are turning off. Oh my God, I'll be back in a minute. It's my hair blown out. It's cute. I love these brushes. I feel like everybody does, but I love these. Oh, it's still a bit wet here. I knew it was gonna be. But yo, I just tie this up now. So it's Friday today. I get my braids done tomorrow. So I'm just doing this the day before just because it's easy. And I'm gonna do some sunbathing today, as long as it gets hotter. It's currently, oh, it's 19 now. When I started this video, it was only 16. And obviously 16 degrees Celsius is not exactly sunbathing weather. So I'm glad it's got warmer. So I wanted to catch a tan over the weekend because I felt like, you know, blonde hair and a tan is just so cute. So I'm gonna sunbathe, put my hair up. I'm gonna sunbathe, tan. I also bought some tanning thing, deeper tan moisturizing thing that's supposed to help just promote tan. But like, I think this is cute. I think it's not like I would do my hair like this to like go somewhere, but it's not the worst thing I've ever seen. I think I just need to blow dry here a little bit, so.
The next day.
Good morning. It's 9 AM. Believe it or not, it's not usually this nice at 9 o'clock in the morning in the UK, but it's 9 AM. Getting some sun. It's lovely and warm, which is great. We can pick an outfit. I'm gonna get ready. I've got a girls' night tonight, so I'm gonna get fully ready so that I don't have to do it when I get back from getting my hair done. But in the morning, my hair is obviously still blown out. Let's get ready together. I've got like an hour and a half before I need to leave, so I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I just saw a video of Beyonce and now I wanna do something fun with my eyeshadow because I never wear eyeshadow. But I'm thinking I'm in my pink era at the moment this month because I'm getting blonde braids. I feel like pink is a no-brainer. So I'm thinking, should I do pink eyeshadow? Or the picture I saw of Beyonce was like she had gold glitter all over her eyes and it looked really nice. So I don't know, we'll see how I feel. I don't usually like the way I look with eyeshadow, so I feel like the gold is probably a safer choice for me. But we'll see as we go along. My makeup is kind of like summery. There's some freckles. Gone for that. I think it's cute. I'm not into wearing lashes at the moment. I've ordered some lashes, but until they arrive, I'm just gonna do mascara. It's not that serious. I think I know what I'm wearing. I'm getting ready really early because I kind of want to be able to just chill and maybe have a cup of tea outside, which is so weird because I know it's hot outside, so having a hot drink outside is not the vibe, but like if you're British, yes it is. So I'm gonna get dressed. I'm very inspired by the things I see online, as I feel like most of us are, and I watched a Red Table Talk last night it was just Will Smith and his kids. And Willow Smith had on some cool denim shorts, and I have denim shorts, and so it's inspired me. I think I'm gonna wear them today. I just need to try and style them. I need to wait for my face to dry as well, but I'm gonna get dressed first. Let's get dressed. Actually not quite enough room in here to show you the full outfit, but oh, there kind of is, but I know it's so basic, but cute. And then I'm not sure if I want to wear socks and trainers or if I just want to wear Crocs, because I feel like am I going to be too hot in socks and trainers? I don't know. And the Crocs vibe is cute. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking. I feel like it would be cool with trainers, but I also feel like it's going to be too hot. I'm trying to think ahead of when I've got long blonde hair. I feel like this will look even better with long blonde hair. And then I don't want the tan line of like having a long sock on, but I feel like it's cooler. I could wear socks with Crocs, I guess. I'm not sure about this. They look cooler, I think. So I'm gonna go with those. I don't know how high my socks should be. Cool. Cool. I'm probably just gonna leave my hair like this. Next thing is sunglasses. I have loads of sunglasses, so I just need to pick a pair. I have some white ones that I'm probably gonna wear because I feel like they'll go the best, but they're a bit like out there. I have loads of the same kind of sunglasses, so these are the top pick because they're white. And they're cute, but like now I've got them on, I feel like it's doing too much white because I do have denim on. So I'm not sure about those. I wanted to try these ones because I've never worn them before, and they're yellow tinted. The thing about these is it's hard to see what I look like because obviously now everything's just yellow, so now these look see-through to me. But I just think it's edgy. Am I delusional? Maybe. But I don't know. It's hard to see. It's not bad. I don't mind these. I don't hate them. I also went a bit crazy because I'm in pink girl era. I got these pink ones as well, but I just feel like it's like cheap vibes. I feel like it's giving me cheap vibes. I've got some like Y2K glasses on the way, like, and they're in pink and they're like the gradient ones. So they would have looked better, but then obviously there's these. Can't ever go wrong with these. These are actually like this color. I have some black ones as well, but I don't really want to wear black, seeing as I'm not wearing any black. So there's obviously these ones are probably just the winner because I just feel like they're the vibe. So yeah, I guess we're going with these. I definitely want to ask my mom about these though. I'm interested. I just think I'm gonna bring them because there's a chance that with blonde hair these might slap, but I don't know. I guess because I'm going for like a cool girl vibe, I need a cool girl bag. So just because it's a tote bag, it makes me feel like it's the vibe, because I feel like the outfit is that kind of outfit, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure. Now I've got it on now. And then this is the orange one. It's small. Maybe I should put my sunglasses on just so the whole vision is there. I don't mind this, but I feel like, I don't know, I don't mind this. I feel like this feels like, oh, this is just my everyday bag, I just threw this on. But then this is the one I didn't want to admit to that's probably gonna win because it's a denim bag. It's so cool. I love this bag because it's with denim. But I don't know, because I feel like that's too much denim. I feel like that's too purposeful, if that makes sense. Like I'm going for like, I just got dressed really quick and I'm just running errands, which I obviously didn't. This is the video evidence that I didn't just throw this on, but I feel like if I do denim, it's like too purposeful. I need it to be more like, I just grabbed this. So I think I'm gonna go with the orange one. If that tote bag was in a different color, then I probably would have gone with that. But I feel like I'm just gonna go with this orange one. These. Now I'm unsure. I don't know about this orange bag business. It's cute without a bag, but I have to take a bag, so. Actually, do I actually have to take a bag? I don't think I do. It just feels a bit weird to not have one. Walking down the street on a beautiful summer's day. I feel like most of you are gonna think that the denim bag is the best choice. I just think it blends in too much. But then to me, I just think, well, if I'm gonna bring this, I might as well just not bring a bag at all, because anything that can fit in here can just fit in my pocket. This is cute, actually. I don't mind this. Still gives me hands-free. Wait a moment. Oh, I don't know. I need my mom. Oh, but yeah, I could just put everything in my pocket as well. Everything's in my pocket now. I'm only bringing lip liner, lip gloss on my phone, and that's it. Does it actually look cooler with it? I feel like it does. Oh my god, I need my mom's opinion. Anyway, let's just get going. I'm actually gonna go and ask her, but either way, this is what I'm wearing with the trainers. And the question is just gonna be, should I wear this or should I not wear this? But also I don't need a bag, so I might not. I'll see you on the streets. I just remembered I've got to take the camera, so I do have to bring a bag because I can't put my camera in my pocket, so that answers that question. I completely forgot to film whilst I was in the shop getting the hair, but I got the hair. I'll give you like a mini haul when I'm home, but I also got the olive oil spray for your scalp, and I got, what else did I get? Like a wig cap thing, but it's like a satin scalp, basically a do-rag, because I saw this person had locks. I saw this TikTok of this guy who had locks, and he was saying this is what it looks like when it's in a bonnet. And then he took his bonnet off and his hair was everywhere. And then he instead put a do-rag on it because it flattened it down. And I know that's like so obvious, but I didn't think about it before. And when I have my braids in a bonnet, they kind of stick off my head sometimes because I guess it's like, it's pulling away from where it is in, I don't know if that makes any sense, from the root. It kind of sticks off my head a little bit and I try and flatten it down. So I figured I'm gonna start putting like do-rag on underneath the bonnet to just keep it flat, especially because of the style I'm getting, which you'll see in a second, but it'll be actually in 3-4 hours. But the style is flat to my head anyway, so I want to keep it that way. Plus, I got some really cute headscarves and beanies and stuff, and I don't want to wear a fabric beanie on top of my braids because I don't want it to frizz. So I figured if I have a satin cap that can go underneath the beanie, and then I know at least my hair is protected underneath. Anyway, I'm literally waffling. But I bought olive spray, I bought that. I don't know what else I got. I feel like I got something else. Oh, I got a pink headband because I said I'm in pink era. So I got that as well because I usually wear a black one. I got loads of time right now because I'm like 30 minutes early. So, because I was crashing, I don't know why. I didn't check the time. I was listening to some fast-paced music, so therefore I just ended up walking really fast. But I feel cute. The sun's out, so I'm just standing in the sun. There's not really anywhere to sit. But I don't know, I guess I'm just going to walk around for a bit because I don't want to go in too early. I'm also not hungry, so maybe we'll look for some jewelry. Anything I get today, I'll show you when I get back. But until that, I will see you in a second. But it's actually, like I said, for me, it's going to be like 4 hours. But yeah, I'll see you when I get back.
10 hours later.
Come on, get it, yeah. Black Birkin and I'm back working, and my G's merging, all my bitches twerking, and I keep it certain, then my rhymes urban, put it in my big pot.
I'm home now and I can give you a close-up of the braids. Literally so nice. And like I said, pink era, like it goes well with pink. So that's what we're going to be doing. I want to show you my outfit as well because I'm going to a girls' night tonight and I got dressed because I haven't got much time. So I just want to show you that before I go. And then this top I cut up. It was a dress from Urban Outfitters, but it ripped. So I just cut it into a top and I think it's really nice. But yeah, that's the whole video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for coming along with me. It's always more fun when you come with me. Oh, also, here's the bag. I think I showed you this earlier when I was debating if I should wear it, but I figured like it goes with the denim. I'm also only going to someone's house, so it's not that serious, you know. But yeah, how cute is this? Follow me on Instagram if you want to see like more updates of the hair and everything, because I'll definitely be posting. I always forget to post when I get my braids done. There's no evidence of it, but I'm gonna be better at that. So how cute! So nice and long as well. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again next week. Look at all this hair. Love you, miss you already. See you then.